Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Alright, so let's make some honey mustard ranch chicken pasta delight. That's a mouthful, isn't it? I hope it is in your mouth, because I'm going to make it so good until you're not going to believe it when you duplicate what I show you. Okay, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Let's do it. Okay, in this pot I already boiled some pasta with corn. And the pasta I used is, oh, let me get it. So we have whole grain penny and rotini. Okay, and that's a cup each, 1 cup each. Okay, and it's a cup of corn. Okay, so what I want to do while the pasta is hot is I want to put some seasonings right on the pasta before I actually mix it in. Okay, I have some sour cream here. 1, 2, 3 heaping tablespoons of sour cream. And have some grated cheese. One, 2 tablespoons of grated cheese. 2 heaping tablespoons of grated cheese. I'm going to put some adobo light. It means it's light in salt. I think this is new to the market. And some black pepper. Move my cup. Okay, so I want to put the onions in the oil right here that's already in the frying pan, olive oil, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. Okay, now where was I at? I had a cough, I'm sorry. Alright, I'm going to add some ginger. Alright, let's mix this sour cream with the pasta and ginger up. Check on our onions. Okay, I also cut up the meat off of 3 chicken drumsticks. 3 chicken drumsticks. Each drumstick was 51 cents from a shopping haul that I bought a case of chicken for 40 pounds of chicken for $23 and something. So that's $1.53 worth of chicken. Okay, I'm going to add the chicken in with the onions. So this was 1 onion, and the onion was 50 cents. So what is that? We're going to call that $1.53 and 50. So we're going to call it $2. $2.03. Okay, I'm going to add some adobo on the onions and chicken. I'm going to add some garlic paste, 1 heaping teaspoon of garlic paste. This is a half a bunch of parsley cut up. Can't open all of this. There we go. Okay, this is some olives. Okay, that's about maybe 15 olives. Okay, I'm going to let that cook for a few minutes while I give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is, it's getting cold out there. I found myself the other day looking for a jacket. That let me know the season is changing. It's getting cold out there. I found myself having to warm the car up a few minutes. It's getting cold out there. I found myself having to cut off the air conditioner. It's getting cold out there. So remember, when it gets cold out, that means that you're probably going to be in the house a lot more than you have been this summer. So prepare for that. You know, you don't need to turn the heat up full blast because that's going to cost you when the bill comes through. Put on a jacket, gather around together and listen to family stories and enjoy each other that way, rather enjoying the high temperature of heat and it's going to cost you at the end. Because the bottom line, we don't know what we have to go through in the future. We do know what has happened in a year and a half that cost us tremendously. Okay, that's the word of the day. It's getting cold out there. All right, bundle up. Okay, let's see what's going on. Okay, now let's add our pasta and corn that we have mixed with our sour cream and cheese. Okay, so now we're going to add our honey mustard. It was 1/4 of a cup and the rest I filled with water. 1/4 cup of honey mustard. So it was 1/4 a cup of honey mustard to 1/4 cup of water. That equals this 1/2 cup. And buttermilk ranch, also 1/4 cup of buttermilk ranch, and this is, the rest is water. So it's a total of 1 cup, which equals 1/2 water, 1/2 buttermilk ranch. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put some paprika on here for a little color. Okay, let me see what I'm missing. Gonna taste. I'm missing a little salt and pepper. Putting some more adobo on. And pepper. I can taste that honey mustard and that buttermilk ranch. Oh boy, that brought some flavor. Look at that, nice and creamy. So the pasta was four for $5, so it's $1.25 each. So I used a cup out of each one. So I'm going to call that 50 cents for each one. So that's $1. Let me add that up for you. I'll pause and add that all up for you to let you know what this dish is going for. Okay, we're done. Oh, it tastes good too. Be right back. Okay guys, take a look at this. Wow. Great, huh? Let me see if I can get a picture. Oops. There we go. Okay, let me taste. I'm just going to dig in. Okay, I have the chicken, pasta, corn. Lost a piece. Mmm. Now that's a great combination. The buttermilk ranch and the honey mustard made it nice and creamy. It almost makes you think that you're eating a pasta salad. Very good. And the olives kicks in and the corn. I love it. I love it. If you love a pasta dish, you'll love this. Okay, give it a try. Thumbs up. Share the video. Subscribe. Please tell everyone to subscribe. Talk to you soon. Share the video. This is definitely on my Thanksgiving series. So keep this in mind. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. I'm sorry, I told you I was going to tell you the cost. So the honey mustard was 1/4 cup was 50 cents. 1/4 cup of ranch, buttermilk ranch is 50 cents. 3 chicken drumsticks, $1.53. 1 cup of rotini, 1 cup of penny, both 50 cents each. A half a bunch of parsley, 50 cents. 20 olives, $1. 1 cup of corn, 50 cents. The total was $5.53 for that dish. And that will definitely feed a family of 4. Okay, now you got it all. Talk to you.